everyone, welcome to today's video. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's me, Leigh on Leigh on Style. For today's video, gonna make a review. We received a package today from HIMESAMA. So this is the package. Of course, it's when you see a Prime. It came from Amazon, and so walang plugging, but I believe you can order this at Amazon. I don't know if they have like a special website that you can order this product, but commonly you can order this at Amazon for sure. So okay, so this is from HIMESAMA. I don't know, HIMESAMA. I got this already, so it will be easy access for me to show it to you. So this is the box. So this is the HIMESAMA. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but that's the name. And this is a face lifting tape, stay all day 12-hour wear, and it contains 40 patches inside of this tiny box. So there's nothing really special in the box. It's just like that. This claims transparent facial patch, ultra thin. It's completely invisible and definitely won't notice that you're wearing tape. So make sure that you have no makeup or oil on your face before using it. Simply stick one end of the tape to your face skin, then pull back the skin as much as 3 to 4 inches and push down, and the result comes into effect immediately. Of course, because you're gonna do it right away then. So this is kind of give you an instant facelift without any botox or everything. So ayan, so this is breathable, skin friendly, high quality anti-allergenic material, natural security, moderate without stimulating, full of elasticity, breathable, waterproof, that's a good one, hold makeup for 8 hours, skin zero burden. All right, so basically this is good for if you have sensitive skin. I never tried this kind of product, so I'm not, hindi ko pa naman siguro masyadong kailangan. But actually when we age, usually our fats kind of stuck here. So as you can see, yan yung fats na yan. I want to get rid of that. So on my night routine, I always want to make massage like that. So what I do is I do this about 20 to 35 counts. If you do this kind of technique, I do 20 to 35 each. So 1, 2, 3 up to 35, and then I do this as well, and then I go here too. So you help your fats ma-reduce ng konti. So kasi syempre kailangan i-facial na tayo nagpapamassage para, you know, I don't want to do those botox or lifting, you know. Tsaka maharli kayo, no? Wala pa akong perang pang pag ganun. Anyway, so if you can, why not? Coconut, I'm not against any lifting. If you can afford it, go for it. What makes you happy and beautiful and confident, it's okay. All right, so let's go back to this baby. So this one, like I've said, it has 40 patches. Oh, ang dami. So this is plenty. So basically you only need 2 patches, one of each side of your face. Inside there's an instruction as well. So ayan, there's an instruction that shows you how you will use it and what's gonna be the effect before and after, something like that. So without further ado, let's try this. All right, so I have this. I removed already one. So basically you only need 2. So parang you're just removing a band-aid like that, something like that. Okay, so here it is. So I wanna, let me get closer. Hello to my imperfection. So just don't mind my skin. I don't have a perfect skin, you know. So I'm gonna use this. So looking straight, I have kind of fats here, so I want this to lift up a little bit like that. Okay, so let's see. I don't know which side is correct, so either this side or this side. I think both is the same. So remove that side. So I don't know where I start, so I will put it here and then press so it will really stick to your skin like that. And then laki ng tenga ko, sorry. And then you will give it pull, a pressure to pull that here, I think. So as you can see, nalilift siya. Like that. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung pressure. So, tinanggal ko na kasi parang hirap. So, I think you just have to pull that 3 to 4 inches. Kailangan hindi mahalata yung pinaka-lifting. I think you have to lift your skin as well. So, we'll see. Like that. Tapos, how will you remove that thing? Ah, okay. So, ayan. And then you will remove here. Okay. Can you see, guys? I think you can see a little bit. But if you pressed it, like press, it's really not noticeable. We'll see. Pasampalin nyo. Okay. So, we'll see. It's not really lifting a little bit. But, gusto kong perfect to nang makita nyo ganyan. So, ulitin natin to. Okay. So, dito natin simulan. Kasi ito yung fats eh. So, kailangan ma-lift tong ganyan. So, dito natin simulan sa medyo mababa. Ayan. Tapos, press natin. Ayan. And then, ipo-pull natin yung ating skin dito. Hirap pala nito. Ang hirap talaga magpaganda. Okay. So, ganyan. So, dapat ganyan. So, parang pag ang hirap kasi, kailangan tatanggalin mo na siya. Tanggalin mo na ba siya? Ganyan. Oh. Okay. So, kung titingnan mo, medyo lift nga siya. Kasi, oh, eto straight na. Eto may fats pa. Ganyan dapat. Ah! So, ayan guys. Well, hindi nga siya ganong halata. So, pag tinignan nyo, parang medyo na-contour nga yung aking left side ng aking face. So, lagyan natin din yung kabila para pantay sila, no? Okay? So, ganyan talaga pag medyo may aging, ang mga fats sa inyong face ay naglalabasan. That's why the power of contouring is there. Yeah. Ang kabila naman, lagyan natin. So, mahirap pala to. Dadagdagan lang yung oras ko nito pag prepare mo pag nilagay ko to. But, this is good if there's an occasion, I guess, or if you gonna do a special event at mas gusto nyo medyo mas uplifted ang inyong face, na medyo may katarayan, ganyan. Maganda to kasi you don't have to, you know, do some what do you call that? Yung mga salamat po doktor. Hindi na kailangan ng siyensya, ganyan. Okay, let's do the other one. So, tignan ko. So, dito ko siya inano. So, very, very light lang dapat. Marami na kasi akong fats. Let's grow 3 ilagay ko. Charot. Ayan. So, ayan. As you can see, dito ko siya lalagyan para magpantay. So, dito sa baba. Ayan, ayan. So, ayan, normal. So, pag pinol ko siya, ayan, dahan-dahan. Parang 0.5 lang ang pag-pull. Huwag masyado. So, iaangat nyo ng konti yun dito sa kabilang side. And then, press down. And then, press up. Ayan. So, medyo lifted na siya. Actually, pwede nyo pang lagyan dito sa ilalim. Kung gusto nyo mas wala dito. Pwede. So, ganyan. Ba talaga nagagawa ng mga pampaganda? So, this is very nice. And, hindi masakit. Ayan. Walang injection. Ayan. Tape nga lang. Ayan. And, if this is sweat-proof, waterproof, bulletproof. Yeah. This is really good kasi it will last for at least 10 hours. 8 hours at least na nasa event kayo. So, ayan. Taray! Bagong botox ka, girl. Yan. So, ayan. Ang taray. Ayan, kahit di ka na mag-contour pala pag meron ka nito. Okay na. Di halata. Maura-aura. Okay, I'm gonna do my home makeup and I'll be back. So, ayan guys, tapos na. Natapos ko ng aking look. So, may pagbabago ba? Parang, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo on camera, pero medyo pag malapitan, pag dito sa, nakikita ko kasi sa salamin, medyo halata siya pag talagang closer look. Yung talagang tipong titignan niya na yung sa may liig mo, ganyan. So, ganyan. Pero pag yung ganito lang, nakikipag-usap ka, hindi siya pansinin. Kasi lalo na pag ilalagay nyo siya dito sa may end ng engine jaws, siguro mas maganda next time, from here, dito nyo siya baba natin para mas medyo ganyan pa. Kaso pangit naman yung sobra kasi parang mahahatak pa rin sa may bibig. Very, very light lang ang lift. Lalo na kung hindi naman talaga maraming fats yung ganito nyo at medyo gusto nyo lang na maging uplifted. Actually, hindi na ako nag-contour para makita nyo. Kasi ang contour, that's why we contour to make our face narrow. If we want, pag medyo chubby yung cheeks mo, pwede mo dayain ng contour. So, kaya natin kinukontour yung ating face to emphasize like a thinner look. Yun yung purpose talaga ng contour. So, this one, for me, personally, I cannot get into using this like for everyday. Like, because you know, I always go out. Mas madalas akong lumalabas. So, parang nahihirapan akong ilagay siya kasi kailangan pantay eh. So, siguro occasionally if I have some special event that I will go to parties or merong talagang aurahan na malupit, ganyan. So, I can use this. But make sure pag gagamitin nyo talaga siya, you will put it properly para talagang hindi siya kita. Hindi ako gumamit ng foundation. I just use blurring tint moisturizer. Kung gagamitin nyo to, mas maganda kung gagamit kayo ng full coverage foundation para matatakpan yung outside. Kasi ito parang skin lang. So kung titignan nyo, actually hindi siya halata eh. Invisible siya. Kaya lang, I cannot afford to use it every day kasi it takes more time and as much as possible, medyo matagal na ako mag-ayos. So I want to lessen my time doing and preparing myself to be ready to go out. Ayun, so yun lang, but I'm not against with it. It's okay with me. It's a good, you know, enhancer for your looks. And it's only $16.99 for 40 patches. You get a lot. So 40 patches divided by 2 kasi dalawang gagamitin mo. So 20 times, di ba? So 20 times mong magagamit for $16.99. And you don't have to use it for your everyday look. This is good for event. O once in a while, pag medyo gusto mong umawala talaga na lifted ang inyong look. Ganyan. Pwedeng pwede. So, I will put the description down below. This is HIMESAMA ang brand niya. Face lifting tape. Stay all day. 12-hour wear. Ayan. So, you can get this as Amazon. I don't know if they have Amazon in the Philippines. I think you can order it as well. I'm not sure. But, usually, sa Amazon. So, I will ask them if they have a separate website, like official website. Or, we can Google it anyway if they have a official website that you can avail the product if you want to try. There's no harm in trying, and this has no kind of side effect. Sa labas lang naman ng balat nyo. So, ganito lang siya pag tinanggal nyo. Ayan, so tiny, parang rubber, di ba? Narinig nyo, ganyan. So, okay siya. For the ladies out there, you wanna try. If you're young and you have perfect skin, you don't need this. But in my age, if you're aging and you don't want to do those facelift, you don't want surgery or something, this is just like instant, give you instant lifting effect, and it's good. So you can try this out. And thank you so much for sending me and let me try your products. I appreciate it. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy and like my look. Very simple look lang. So ayan, and if you did enjoy watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and kindly hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!